Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So far we have completed all the topics till the functions. So if I show you the particular playlist, so you can see the playlist over here. So I have explained you the previous concepts. If you have not accessed, kindly access the particular playlist. The link is been mentioned in the description below. So in this particular video, so let's talk about the try and except handling. So how the try and exception can be handled in the Python programming. So along with that, we'll be seeing how the local variables as well as a global variables works within the functions. Then we'll be moving on to the concept of lambda functions. So lambda functions, like a single line statements, we can execute the particular piece of code. So these all the topics we'll be covering in this video. So let's move on to the coding part now. Okay guys, I have opened the notes. We'll see here. So here you can see in this example what is try and except handling works. So when we are getting some errors, when we are having some errors like which cannot be handled using if else conditions, at that time we'll be moving with the concept of try and try and catch conditions. So if what is try means it will first try the particular statement. If it's getting executed, then it is not going to catch any exception. If the try is giving an error, runtime error or compilation error, anything, so that time the catch will be catching the particular exceptions, and we can easily see what is the error is being performed. Okay, so here we'll try with one example over here. So I'll just open the particular this particular VS code. So I'll just create a new particular Python file. Here I'll just make it as try except.py. okay, so I'm just using the particular file name as try except and.py file. So we'll see how it can be done. So here let's do one thing. So first we'll be we'll take some of the input from the user. We'll take two input from the user. So what is the input I'll be taking here? I'll just tell. So here I'll just tell the particular enter the value of number one. Suppose I want to add the particular two numbers. So I'll just tell a is equal to, I'll just tell num1, I'll just tell. So num1 is equal to, I'll just tell int of input. Okay, so I'll just tell int of input. So in this int of input, I'll just tell enter the first number. Enter the first number. Okay, so I'll just give like this, enter the particular first number. So after taking an input, I want to go it into the new line. So I'm just taking a number one. So then I'll just take the number two value over here. So here I'll just enter the second number, SCCOND, second number. So I'm just taking a two input, that is a num1 as well as a num2. So after taking a two number, so what else I need to do here? So after taking it, I want to just try first. I want to just try whether the user is giving. So suppose I'll show you here. So if I just tell print the particular num1 and I'll just put a comma, I'll just put the num2 over here. Okay, so that means I'm taking a number one as well as a number two. First I'll be showing you the errors, how it works. So when I run the program, see, it is asking me enter the first number. If I just give the 15 as a first number, if I give the Anis as a second number, which is not a valid, you can see I'm getting an error. So it is telling me the particular number invalid literals. So I'm getting the error of a invalid literals. That is, you can see I'm giving when I have used as an int. Obviously, I need to give it as an integer value itself. I should not give any string value like that. Okay, so that is the exception is been handled. The exception is been coming. So now this particular error I'll be handling using what? Try and except condition. So here now I'll be using concept of try and except. I'll just try and accept it. So here, so the spelling is mistake over here. Try and accept. So here, what I need to do here is first I need to enter the try block. So I'll just try. So when I want to use a try and accept condition, so first I need to give it as a try over here. So I'll just in the try, I'll just give you the print statement. What I'll just tell, I am inside the try block, so that you can understand. I am inside the try block when the try is happening. So then after trying, first I will try. I'll just try. What is the condition? I'll just tell a sum. I'll just tell sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So I'm just adding the value of the sum, what is the particular num1 as well as num2 I am getting added over here. So then what I'll do, I'll just tell print, I'll just tell the sum is the sum of two numbers is. So here I'll just tell the particular, I'll use a concept of f string over here, or else you can just use a put a comma and you can just use a sum over here. Okay, so I have used a try condition. Okay, then I'll just tell accept. I'll just tell except condition. First I'll just tell pass. When the exceptions are there, just pass the value. Now I'll try value. First I'll try with the perfect, you can see I'm getting error, this one here. Enter your first number. I'll just get 12. Then I'll give the, so you can see enter the second number 45. It can see I am inside the try block. The sum of the two number is 57. That means my try block is been getting executed. Same way I'll just put a catch over here. So in the catch I need to pass this particular thing. So I'll just tell in the catch, I'll just copy the line of code. I'll paste. So unnecessary spaces, remove it from here. Okay. So as you enter after the colon, you need to understand you are having a 4 indentation space over here. So here I'll say I am inside the catch block. Okay, I'm inside the catch block. Now I'll just clear the particular console. Now I'll run the program again. So here I'll just give the wrong values here. I'll just give a and double es. So you can see once I enter the a and double es, so here only it has been taking it. Here only it has been evolving it. It is see. What is the error I'm getting? Invalid literal for the int within the base 10 anis it is giving here. Okay, so when I'm giving a thing, here itself it is getting evaluated. So what I'll do here is I'll just cut it here. I'll just cut it. Okay, I'll just cut the value from here. Okay, I'll just cut the particular value. So I'm just telling enter the first number, enter the second number. Only I'm just taking input. I'm trying here. So I'm just trying to add here. Int of num1. That means whatever the value is there, I'm converting the particular value to the integer value. Then here I'll just mention one more thing. I'll just tell int of num2. Okay, so I'm just telling int of num2 over here. So I'm just using int of num1 as well as the int of num2. I'm just printing the sum. So here I'm just taking what? I'm just taking the particular input over here in the in this particular condition now. So now what I'll do here is I'll just say here once after the output is done. So once the try and except condition enters, so I'll just try to run this program again. So here it is asking enter the number. Now I'll just give a and double es. Now I'll just give 12. So you can see when I'm giving a and double es, it took a input. Done. So then second time I'm saying here you can see enter the second number. I am giving a output is equal to 12 here. So input is equal to 12. Then what it went? It went to the try block. It went to the try block. You can see it is telling me print I am inside the try block. It went to the I am inside the try block over here. So you can see I'm inside the try block. It is went. Here see. The sum is equal to int num1 plus num2. When it try to evolve it, when it try to run this particular with this particular line, it did. Num1 I have given as a anis. So anis is a string value. It is not able to convert to the integer. So as here the exception, here the error has been coming. So without giving the error, it went to the except condition. You can see it went to the I am inside the particular I am inside this particular catch block. It is been printed. You can see I am inside the catch block is been printed. So again I'll just tell you once again. So here you see I'll say one more thing. I'll just tell copy. Here I'll say print. I have just tell I have completed the task. I have completed the task over here. Okay, so when this particular condition works, it will work like this. Okay, so here I am just giving so that it should look good. I'll just save it. So now see when I am using a try condition, how the flow works, you can just see here. When the program, so program is run, here it is taking. I need to give the first input and I need to give the second input. Here first I will give the normal. I'll just tell 12 and I'll just give the 10. So you can see it went to the try condition. Here it is telling I am inside the try block. Okay, here you can see I am inside the try block worked. Then next it evaluated this expression because both the numbers I have given as integer, that is true. So after it is evaluated, you can see the I have completed the task. It is giving have completed the particular task. It is telling. So after that it is printing the sum of the two number is 22 over here. So that means everything is working perfectly. So when I am giving a correct input, when I am trying to give the wrong input, so again I will run the program. So now I will give the wrong input here. I'll just give a and double es. Then I want to add here with the number 33. Enter the program. Once you enter it, you can see anis I have given as a first number, second number I have given as a 13. So the first number I need to give it as a number, but I have given as a string. It went to the try block. It is telling I am inside the try block. You can see I am inside the particular try block. Here it tried to evaluate the expression. You can see it is not got evaluated because anis is a string. It cannot be converted into integer. So it went to the exception here, except case, except block. You can see then it came I am inside the except I am inside the particular catch block. You can see I am inside the particular catch block. So like this you can handle. So you can just remove the pause also, doesn't matter. Okay. So now I can handle the exception. What is the exception is been handled? I can print it. I'll just tell accept exception as. I'll just tell accept the particular exception. Yeah. Exception as. I want to see what is the error is been happen. I am inside the I block. Here I'll just tell print. I'll just tell this is the problem happened. Okay, something I'll just tell the problem happened. What is the problem? So here I'll just tell print the particular E. So what is the exception? I am handling it here. So the exception will be handled in the E. So I can just tell E over here. I'll just run the program now. So now I'll just clear the console. I'll run the program. So here you see. I'll just zoom out. So now here enter the number. I'll just give the name and I'll just give some number over here. Enter. So you can see I am inside the try block. It went to the try block. It is not evaluated the expression because Anis is a string. Then it came to the exception as E line. Then it printed this particular line, the 14th line. You can see I am inside a try block. Then it went to the I am inside the particular catch block. That means it is going to the catch block. Then after that it is telling you this is a problem happened. So whatever I have entered over here, it is a problem happened. So what is the problem happened? I'm printing the exception E. So here I can see it is giving me the exception. That is meant. So you see invalid retrieval for the integer. It is saying invalid retrieval for the integer with the base 10. That is you are passing Anis as a string, because when you are giving as an integer, you need to pass it as a number over here. So it is giving me the problem also. What is the problem has been happened. So this is how the try and exceptions can be handled. Even you can divide the 1 divided by 0 condition also you can handle. So it is adding a number when I am multiplying it here. So if I just divide by 0, so I'll just tell num1 as well as second number. I want to divide it here. So what happened here? I want to num1 as well as a num2 I need to divide. So I will just divide 1 divided by 0. So I'll just give 1 and 1. So when I'm just giving 1 by 1, so 1 and 1 is 1/1 is 1 output. So you can see it is went to the try block. Then it is evaluated the sum. It is giving I have completed the task. The sum of the two number is 1.0. I am getting an output. Same way if I just tell 1 divided by 0, I'll just tell 1 and 0. So I can see it went to 1 divided by 0 is the exception handling case. So you can see it went to the try block. And when it is try to evaluating the sum, it is giving the error, compilation error, like interpreter is giving the error. Here it is telling me I'm inside, and it is the exception has been handled at the line number 9 over here. Then it went to the try except condition, because this code won't be get executed when here somewhere if I get any errors. Then it went to the exception. It is telling the I'm inside the catch block. Then it is telling this is the problem happened. So what is the problem happened? The exception is division by error, division by 0. That means I am dividing a number with 0. So that is the exception is been giving. So I have given except exception as E. E is a what? E is a something like which will by using a E variable I can easily access what is the problem is been occurred. So the problem is been occurred is what? Division by 0 error over here. So like this I can handle the try and block exception. I hope you have understood this how I am using a try and exception condition, how it works, how the particular flow works. So then coming back to the notes over here, so we have seen this exception handling. So now we'll see what is the global as well as a local variable. Okay, global as well as a local variable. I'll just create a new file over here. I'll just tell global. So let's tell global, and I want to just tell local.py file. So I'm using a global as well as a local.py file. So now we'll see what is the things will be occur. So first what I'll do here is I'll just create something. Okay, so here I'll just create one function. So what is the function? I'll just tell def. I'll just give it as a function 1. So here it will take the n as a something, it will argument it will take. I'll just tell print the particular, sorry, so I'll need to close this one. So I'll just close this one. I'll just tell print, I want to print what is the n value. Then I'll just tell I have printed. Okay, so I have printed something. Then I'll just call the particular function over here. I'll just tell function 1. I am just in call for the function name. So the function 1 is what? Function name. Def is a function. I hope you have understood this one, because I have taught you previous itself. So I'll just tell this is me. Okay, I'm just passing something. When I run the program, so obviously you know what will be the output. So it is this is me. It will just this is me will get passed over here, and this is me, and it will just print I have printed over here. Same, it has been printed. Okay, there is no rocket science over here. Same way, now what I need to do here is in the function 1, what I'll tell here, I'll pass some value. I'll just tell pass the particular value. I'll just tell L is equal to 10. So I'll give L is equal to 10 over here. So I'll just tell I have printed the value of L is the value of L is. So I want to just grab the particular value. So here I'll just tell the value of L is, I'll just put a comma, then I'll just print the value of L over here. So let's see whether it works or not. So when I run the program, you can see I have printed, so it is telling me this is me. This is me is getting passed over here. So I can just pass my name over here simply. I'll just tell I am commanding one now function. It is telling Anis, I have printed the value of L is, so whatever the value, this is a local variable. Okay, so sorry, this is a global variable. Like global, it is enabled. That means I have used L is equal to 10 here. Then do the whatever the value has been there here, it is been getting passed over here. Okay, that means even it is not there inside the function, the value of a variable L. So what it is not, when it is not there, it will search the particular variable of L outside the particular function. When the outside the some variable is been present, that particular value will be getting passed over here. So same, suppose if I am giving like this, L is equal to 56. Okay, now what will be the output? I want you to answer me in the comment section. So okay, I hope you have executed this. So let's see what will be the output. So when I run the program, you can see it is giving me it is giving the first priority to the L. This is the first priority is been given. Then the particular priority is given for the global variable. So this way, this is became a local now. That means within the function, if it's present, then it has been taking that value. You can see Anis, I have printed value of L, that is 56. So whatever the value is there here, that is going to take over here. It is not taking this particular L value here. Okay. So I hope you have understood this particular concept. This is my local variable and this will be the global variable. Okay. So same thing I have explained you in the notes also. So then we'll see what will be the always the local, as I said, always the local particular variables will be given as a first preference for anything. So now what I need to do here is next, okay, now next what I need to do, suppose now I want to add plus with the L. I want to do like this. Suppose I want to add with L. So now see what is the error I am getting. What is the error here getting? So show the code again. So now see what I am saying here is, so I am printing L here. So L is equal to 56. Whatever the global variable is there, I want to change the particular value of a global variable over here. So I'm changing the global variable value here. Once I save this program, when I'm trying to run the program, you can see I'm getting local variable here referenced before the assignment. That means it is not, I can print the value here. I cannot change the value of a global variable again for whatever it is there. So I can do like this. Suppose if there is a L, so if I just tell L is equal to 10, L is equal to 10. So I'll just tell L is equal to L plus L. So I can do like this. So what will be the output here? So you can see Anis, I have printed the value of L is 66. So 56 plus 10 is what? 66. So now I don't want to. So when it is not there, when this line is not there, so what will be the program will be accessing it? So the program will access the previous value of L here. Okay. So now if I try to add suppose you think the previous value of L is whether it is giving access here, it is not giving the permission. It is telling me you are a local variable, be in your Awkath, you should not take the global variable values over here. So if you don't have Awkath of that one, then I will be giving the out from the outside, I will be helping you. So it is what is giving the program is saying it here. Okay. So like this it is saying it here. So like you can understand, like suppose I have 10,000 rupee. So suppose I'm asking my friend like 5,000 rupee extra. So he is my friend. So even I have 56,000 here. I'm just telling I want still extra 10,000 rupee. So if I am just taking from him, he is not giving me access. He is telling me you have already 56. Don't come to me. When you don't have, suppose I don't have any money. When I'm not having any money, no. So I want 10,000 rupee. At that time, my friend is giving me 10,000 rupee over here. So you can see it is giving me access to print the 10 over here. So like this, you can understand with one small silly example. So like this, the things will be working it over here. Okay. So it is what about the global variables as well as the local variables concepts. I hope you have understood till here. So next we'll be moving on to the Lambda functions. So I'll just create one new file. So I'll just tell Lambda. So lambda.py. So I'll just open the notes. So here in the notes, so here I have mentioned in the notes also, you can see here Lambda functions. So here Lambda functions is also called as an anonymous function. Okay. So what here is doing here is, when I'm doing a is equal to add, so I can do this like 2 lines of code. So when you are too lazy to use the 2 lines of code, when you can at a time you can just select a Lambda function which can be done in a single line. You can see which can be done in a single line over here. So that is what the Lambda functions will be doing it here. So here something like, if I just tell def add is equal to, if I just tell a comma b, so I want to just return, that is a plus b. I want to return output a plus b. So when I'm just okay, when I want to call, if I want to just tell print, I want to call the function add is equal to 10 comma 20. So when I run the program, you can see it is returning with the 30. Okay, so for doing this kind of stuff, I need to write a 3 lines of code. So this can be done in a single line of code. So I'll just tell addition. I am just doing addition over here. So here I am just using a lambda keyword. So you can see lambda is a keyword. So here I want to pass x comma y. So whatever the thing is, I'm just passing x comma y. I'm giving a value over here. So here whenever I'm passing a two values, so what it should do, it should add the values. Okay, when I'm passing a two values, when I'm passing two variables, that is x as well as y, when I'm passing x is x and y, what it should do means it should accept the argument and it should add the particular value to it. Okay, that is why I want to do it. So same thing, if I want to print, I want to call the function. Now I'll just tell addition. I want to do the addition of 25 comma 45. I'm just using like this. When I run the program, so here I'll just tell print. So here I'll just tell above print, I'll just tell print. I'll just give something like this. Okay, so I want to just give space between like this. So now see, I want to just I need to call this particular variable, then I need to pass a two argument for this particular addition, that is 25 as well as 45. When I run the program, you can see 30 has been getting printed. When I'm passing 25 and 45, what it is happening is it is calling a addition function, lambda function. For the x, it is passing a value of 25. For the y, it is passing the value of 45, and it is just adding the two numbers, and it is returning the sum to this particular addition. Then whatever whenever I'm calling this particular addition function, the particular 70 has been getting printed because I have used as a print statement. Same you can do it for all the four things. I can just tell as a subtract. Sub, I can just use a subtraction. Here I can just use the subtraction over here. So when I'm using a subtraction, I need to do x minus y. So here I'll just make it as a some value, some extra 125. I'll be using it here. Okay, so this is for the subtraction. This is for the division. I'll just use as a div. I'll just use as a div over here. So I want to multiply 25 with the value with the 5. The output would be 5. So here I am just using a single slash. So then along with that, I want to do the modulo operations. So I'll just use as a mod over here. So here I need to just use a modulo operator. Here I want to multiply with 125 with 25, something 25. The output would be 0. So when I'm running the program, you can see all the values here, 30 and 70. So I'm getting 70. So 25 plus 45 is 70. When I'm minusing with 125 with the 45, output will be 80. When I'm dividing 5 divided by 25 with this lambda function, 25 will be passing to the x variable, 5 will be getting passed to the y variable. This is the expression which I have given that will be evaluated. Then I am getting as a 5.0, and here I am using a modulo operation. I am getting as output as a 150. Okay, so like this, the particular things will work. Okay, when I am doing a modulo operations. So I hope you have understood how the lambda functions works. Okay, so you can try with the more complex lines of code, but I have explained you the simple manner. So when you have some kind of things which can be done in a single line at a time, you can use a particular lambda functions, which is most useful. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the concepts. Started from the global, not the global, try and accept, then we went to the global and local variables, then we completed with the lambda functions in this video. So if you like this video, share to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for such more videos. So you can access the notes in the description below. Then I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.